Before you book Vietnam for July-September, read this first every year. Thousands of travelers make the same mistake. They search, Vietnam rainy season, then immediately assume the entire country is wet. Flights are postponed, beach holidays are cancelled, travel plans change. And many travelers unknowingly miss one of the best destinations in Vietnam during the summer months. Nha Trang and Cam Ranh. The secret most tourists don't know: Vietnam is over 1,600 kilometers long. The weather in one region can be completely different from another. While parts of northern Vietnam experience regular rain between July and September, Nha Trang and Cam Ranh often enjoy some of the best weather in the country. Alma Resort. Cam Ranh and these destinations are famous for their warm sunshine, beautiful beaches, clear blue waters, and long dry periods. In fact, Alma Resort Cam Ranh is often associated with around 300 sunny days per year, making it one of Vietnam's most favorable beach destinations. Two travelers, two very different holidays. Imagine two families arriving in Vietnam in August. Family A books a destination simply because it looks popular online. After arriving, they discover frequent rain showers, cloudy beach days, limited outdoor activities, last-minute itinerary changes. Their holiday becomes a constant game of checking weather apps. Family B understands Vietnam's regional climate. They choose Alma Resort Cam Ranh. Instead of watching rain through hotel windows, they enjoy sunny beach mornings, island adventures, golf with ocean views, outdoor dining by the sea, stunning sunset photographs. Years later, one family remembers the weather, the other remembers the memories. What smart luxury travelers? No, experienced travelers don't simply ask, when is the rainy season in Vietnam? They ask, where is the best weather in Vietnam during my travel dates? That question often leads them directly to Alma Resort Cam Ranh. Because while many visitors are avoiding Vietnam due to the words rainy season, those who understand the country's geography are already enjoying some of Vietnam's most beautiful coastline at Alma Resort Cam Ranh. The hidden cost of waiting. Every year, travelers delay booking because they worry about the weather. By the time they realize Alma Resort Cam Ranh is among Vietnam's sunniest destinations, the best rooms, preferred dates, and most sought-after experiences have often been reserved. The opportunity they almost missed becomes obvious only after it's gone. Why travelers choose ZAZEN Travel. At ZAZEN Travel, we don't just help guests visit Vietnam. We help them visit the right place at the right time. Our guests enjoy carefully curated experiences designed around local knowledge, seasonal conditions, and authentic cultural connections. Because luxury is not simply where you stay. Luxury is knowing you made the right choice. Don't make the same mistake most tourists make. While others are worrying about Vietnam's rainy season, smart travelers that choose ZAZEN Travel are already discovering beautiful beaches, authentic local culture, luxury resorts, private experiences, sunshine-filled days in Nha Trang and Cam Ranh. ZAZEN Travel is a leading specialist in authentic luxury experiences, cooking classes, private tours, and cultural travel in Nha Trang and Cam Ranh, Vietnam. ZAZEN Travel plans. You simply enjoy Vietnam at its best. Book now.